Hi dear friends, today I am come up with the new Omillionaire lottery prediction which is trying on 7th July 2022. This is my previous prediction. The draw was drawn on 30th June 2022. Friends, I was told you these are the best numbers and you can see this is the previous result 2, 6, 15, 18, 19, 21 and 28. And these are my best numbers. You can see here 5 numbers was made. Number 1 is 28 and number 2 is 21. Third one is, you can see here, 18. Fourth one is 6 and last one is 2. I showed you here from previous result. They picked the maximum numbers from previous results, and according to this routine we finalized these numbers. Now remaining numbers for the coming draw, which is drawing on 7th July 2022. We write here, you can see number 1 is 22. Number 1 is 22. Second one is 32. Then 39, then 44, then 25, 37, 43, 17, 24, and from previous result 2 is repeated. Now we cut this number. 6 is also repeated. 15 is not repeated yet. You can see here from previous result. So we write here 15. 18 is also repeated here. You can see 18 number. We cut this. 19 is also repeated. 21 is also repeated. And 28 is also repeated. So these are the powerful numbers for the coming draw, which is drawing on 7th July 2022. You can select if you like any number from it. If you don't like, you can leave it. I also showed this table. You can see here Omillionaire picked most number from 10 to 19 and 20 to 29. They picked the numbers with the same procedure. Maximum numbers they picked from, you can see here, 15, 18 and 19. 3 numbers from 10 to 19 and 21 and 28. 2 numbers from 20 to 29. In 2 serials you can see 3 plus 2, 5 numbers they picked. So 3 plus 14 is 17 and 15. 2 numbers picked from 1 to 9. So these are 6 and is nothing. So the fresh table is 6 numbers they picked from 1 to 9. 17 numbers they picked from 10 to 19. 15 numbers they picked from 20 to 29. And 7 numbers from 30 to 39 and 4 numbers from 40 to 44. So this is the fresh position in front of you. Final decision is yours. One important point, you should select your all numbers. You should select your all 7 numbers in 2 series or maximum 3 series if you want to win Millionaire lottery. Okay friends, so good luck to all and wait for my next video, that is UK 49 and also Mahzooz draw prediction.